Okay, so this is how the wreath turned out. To see how I accomplished this, keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's day is going great. Today I'm just going to share a quick DIY with you all. I was making a fall wreath to go outside on my front porch, and I decided I might as well pick up the camera and film the process. So the supplies that I used were a wreath from last year. If you can see it sparkling, that's because this is originally a Christmas wreath. So it just goes to show you that you can mix and match different decor items and change them up for the season. So the pumpkins, the glittery pumpkin I'm using now came from Walmart. As a matter of fact, the ribbon, all of the pumpkin picks, and the individual pumpkins came from Walmart, and the grateful and thankful round ornaments, I guess you could call them, the circles, those came from Target. So you can use them as table scatter, or maybe not coasters unless you laminate them, but I'm using them as a part of my wreath. So just play with your design and see however you feel that things fit together the best. And then you can grab some E6000 glue or some hot glue and put your design together. I used a combination of both just so that it would adhere pretty permanently, because again, this is going outside on my front door. So just let's sit back and see what I come up with. So at this point, I was done with my basic design as far as adding my pumpkins and picks. Now I'm just going through and cutting my ribbon, because what I'm going to do is create a pattern alternating between the three ribbons, just going around the rest of the wreath. So I have this burlap ribbon that has like kind of a gold sparkle to match the gold sparkle in the pumpkin, as well as the glitter in the wreath. This one I also added is a ribbon that says thankful, blessed, and grateful. And the last piece of ribbon that I added is just black burlap. I think in the end I'll probably end up adding more ribbon if it's not full enough, but just go down and cut your ribbon. It don't have to be exactly equal. You'll see how it begins to fill out as you go along. I decided to add a fourth ribbon just to fill it in more. I found this black and white ribbon at Dollar Tree, so I just added it to fill in the gaps, and I'm pretty satisfied with the way it came out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to see more decor or fall DIYs and home tours, stay tuned. If this brought you some inspiration, leave me a comment below. Be blessed.